2010 Homecoming Royalty. Introducing freshman Herald, Madison Hall. Madison is the daughter of Mason and Amber Barnes and Heath Hall. Freshman Herald, Madison Hall. Freshman Maid, Jessie Duscart. She's the daughter of Joe Duscart. She's escorted by Corey Matthews, the son of Jamie and Michelle Green. Freshman Maid, Jessie Duscart. The sophomore Herald is Michelle Jones. She is the daughter of Rochelle Jones and Michael Jones. Sophomore Herald, Michelle Jones. Announcing junior Herald, Janet Guerrero. The daughter of Jose and Socorro Guerrero. Junior Herald, Janet Guerrero. The junior maid is Hannah Birch. Hannah is the daughter of Lou Ann Birch and Bill Birch. Her escort is Colton Corder, the son of Mindy Corder and Doug Corder. Junior maid, Hannah Birch. Announcing junior maid, Lindsey Holyfield. Lindsey is the daughter of Robbie and Holly Holyfield. Her escort is Cody Buchanan, the son of Greg Buchanan and Lisa and Ray Alsop. Junior maid, Lindsey Holyfield. Announcing junior maid, Tamika Roberson. She's the daughter of Clint and Mamie Roberson. Her escort is Dontail Henson, the son of Tanisha Sanders. Junior maid, Tamika Roberson. Announcing senior Herald, Imani Mitchell. She is the daughter of Tina Williams and James Mitchell. Senior Herald, Imani Mitchell. Senior maid, Taylor Brown. Taylor is the daughter of Tanya Brown. Her escort is Clint Buchanan, the son of Greg Buchanan and Lisa and Ray Alsop. Senior maid, Taylor Brown. Senior maid, Savannah Clayton. She's the daughter of Kathy Clayton and Phil Clayton. Her escort is Blake Tollesom, the son of Craig and Shannon Tollesom. Senior maid, Savannah Clayton. Senior maid, Brittany Rash. Brittany is the daughter of Kevin and Tara Rash. Her escort is Max Thornton, the son of Nikki Thornton and Mark Thornton. Senior maid, Brittany Rash. Announcing senior maid, Patricia Morgan. Patricia is the daughter of Charles and Toyce Morgan. Her escort is Gary Batista, the son of Jose and Anessa Batista. Senior maid, Patricia Morgan. Announcing senior maid, Erin Broughton. She is the daughter of Felicia Wells and Eric Broughton Sr. Her escort is Davin Owens, the son of Christy Stiles. Senior maid, Erin Broughton. The band herald is Sarah Holcomb. Sarah is the daughter of Alan and Robin Holcomb. Band herald, Sarah Holcomb. Announcing senior maid, Siobhan Jones. Siobhan is the daughter of Sherry Jones and Michael Jones. Her escort is Kevin Murdoch, the son of Lana Brown and Kevin Murdoch Sr. Senior Maid Siobhan Jones. Senior Maid Cheyenne Kine. Cheyenne is the daughter of Tim and Wanda Howard and David Keys. Her escort is Eldon Holloman, the son of Roger and Ray Holloman. Senior Maid Cheyenne Kine. Announcing Senior Maid Summer Fite. Summer is the daughter of Mitch Fite and the late Karen Fite. Her escort is Seth Coates, the son of Kyle and Judith Kine. Senior Maid Summer Fite. Announcing Senior Maid Carla Finley. Carla is the daughter of Vanessa Shule and Calvin Finley. Her escort is James King, the son of Patrick and Kay King. Senior Maid Carla Finley. The Stepper Herald is Octavia Watson. Octavia is the daughter of Bobby and Sherry Watson. Stepper Herald, Octavia Watson. Senior Maid, Madison Ledbetter. Madison is the daughter of Monty and Angie Ledbetter. Her escort is Mitchell Whitman, the son of Stacy Milden and Randy and Angie Whitman. Senior Maid, Madison Ledbetter. Announcing Senior Maid, Chantel Fountain. She's the daughter of Keith and Darlene Fountain. Her escort is Grady Allison, the son of Grady and Linda Allison. Senior Maid, Chantel Fountain. The cheerleader herald is Elisa Scott. She's the daughter of Tanya Paul. Cheerleader herald, Elisa Scott. Announcing Senior Maid Brittany Robinson. Brittany is the daughter of Clarence and Sherry Robinson. Her escort is Cody Elrod, the son of Ryan and Yolanda Elrod. Senior Maid Brittany Robinson. The princess is Chantel McGill. Chantel is the daughter of Robert McGill and Michelle Reed. Her escort is Eric Watson, the son of Malcolm and Sheila Watkins. Princess Chantel McGill. Ladies and gentlemen, the crown bearer is Atlanta Nelson, the daughter of Scott and Ashley Nelson. And the football bearer is Harrison Reeves, the son of Coach Chip and Kitty Reeves and Amy Jester. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for your 2010 Malvern High School Homecoming Queen, Sarah Kirk. Sarah is the daughter of Steve and Jane Kirk. She's escorted by Carson Kendi, the son of Susan Kendi and Mark and Heather Kendi. your queen, Sarah Kirk.